If you're craving a Samurai Mac but you can't go to McDonald's, well, I'm going to show you how to make it. But before that, let's check out what a real one looks like. Yep, this is the real McCoy Samurai Mac. Under the top there's 2 beef patties, cheddar cheese, some fresh onions, and that roasted soy sauce. And it's all housed in a sesame seed bun with a nice split in the middle. And what makes it epic? Well, that's debatable, but I guess one thing is that roasted soy sauce. Oh, and as a special treat, I'll be using A5 Japanese Wagyu. Now to make this burger's iconic roasted soy sauce, you're gonna get hold of some of this. This is Ogon no Aji yakiniku sauce made by Ebara. There are a couple of different types, but if you get this yellow one, you're definitely gonna nail that roasted soy sauce flavor. And to sweeten and thicken the sauce, I added some sugar and a wee bit of cornstarch slurry. And you just keep stirring it over low heat until it thickens, then it's done. Now let's make those beef patties, so heat up your skillet. To make my patties, I've pre-ground the meat into these 80-gram balls. Season with a bit of salt and pepper. And then smash like so to your desired thickness. And for the record, this is not a smash burger, so you can form the patties how you want, but this is how I'm doing it, so there you go. When the undercarriage of the patty is cooked, flip it over and give it a good basting with the yakiniku sauce. Next, add a couple of slices of American cheese and cover to let it melt. And when the cheese is nice and melty, remove those patties. Take a look at those vivid colours. Absolutely fantastic. Now I guess technically you should have your bun all ready to go, but I haven't, so let's get cracking. I'm going to melt a little butter in the pan like so. Good New Zealand grass-fed butter, of course. Add my brioche buns and cover them so they get nice and steamed. Okay, now let's construct the Samurai Mac. Spread the roasted soy sauce onto both buns. Now you may be asking, hey Bento Buster, shouldn't you be using sesame seed buns with a split in the middle? And my answer to that is, yep, if you have them, but I don't, so I'm going to use these brioche buns. And with a bit of luck, they probably taste better actually than the real thing. Once you've added the patties, sprinkle some onion on top, then add the crown and you're done. There you go, a homemade roasted soy sauce Samurai Mac. For a homemade burger, this looks amazing, but how does it taste? Guess what? It's delicious. As you can see, that is one amazing burger that is super easy to make, so give it a try. And with a bit of luck, this video will get over 100 views.